Photography is one of the most desired professions in our country. A lot of young boys and girls want to get into this industry, but they don't know how to go about. Hi, my name is Love Isani and I've been a fashion and advertising photographer for over 16 years. I got into this industry when I was just 5 years old. Yes, I was surrounded with the world of cameras. When I was in college, I made a short documentary film, 4 a.m. to 4 a.m. Life in Mumbai. That film got critically acclaimed. A lot of my friends, families, everybody saw it and they loved it. They all encouraged me that I had a flair with the camera. That's when I decided that I wanted to be a photographer. I asked a lot of people, how do I begin? People told me, go buy a camera. I was asking them, which camera do I buy? Somebody said buy a Nikon, somebody said buy a Canon. I literally started doing a poll and I got maximum votes for Canon. So I decided Canon it is. I went convinced my father and my Sindhi father. He said, okay beta, ye lo paisa. He gave me whatever money I wanted and I all the way drove to BT to buy my first camera. I yet can't forget the feeling that I had that day while carrying their money to the vendor. I go there, buy my camera. I was super charged and I knew I was going to click the best pictures in the world ever since that day. While driving back, I said, okay, I'm going to start now. At Santacruz Airport, I figure out a good frame, I get my telephoto lens out and I'm all set to click the picture. I try, I struggle hard, but 45 minutes I don't get one picture there. I just don't understand what's wrong. I couldn't get it right. I drive back to the storekeeper who gave me the camera and I said, भैया आपने क्या कैमरा दिया? ये तो कैमरा ही नहीं चल रहा है. He looks at the camera, he looks at me and he says, बेटा आपको तो कार्ड भी नहीं डालने आता इस कैमरा में. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, I did a mistake. That was my penalty into the profession of photography. He said आपको 9,000 रुपया पे करना पड़ेगा to get your camera repaired because it's a physical damage. Yes, that's how my career started. That day and today, every year, every day I went on doing mistakes, I went on learning from my mistakes. I had so many young boys and girls who came and assisted me, who interned under me, and I was able to teach them in 3 months and 6 months, which I took years long. 10 years into the profession, I said there's something wrong. I was not enjoying photography then. I said I need to have a change. That's when I decided that I want to relearn and I want to re-educate myself. I went all the way to America. I traveled to Photoshop World and I attended this festival there, which totally changed the way I look at photography. I learned so much in those 4 days there from mentors from all over the world and I realized the value of education. I'm not the only one who's made so many mistakes. There are lots of people who've done these mistakes, but I don't want you to do this mistake. That's the only reason I've come up with a platform known as Capturing Wow, where you'll get to learn from the best in our industry. You'll get to network with like-minded professionals and you'll get a lot of job opportunities and business opportunities. Today I bring to you this brand new series known as Level Up with Love, where I will be interacting with you and I will be answering all your questions related to photography. Whether it's the business of photography or the art or filmmaking, send me your questions. Send it to me via DM and I'll be happy to answer them in the next episode. Until then, stay home, stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye.